There are 7 different stock calculations. SOH is stock on hand. SOD is stock on demand. TBR is stock to be received. ATT is stock allocated to transfers. ATJ is stock allocated to a job. COM is total committed stocks. ATS is stock available to sell. Stock can be added to products, where the stocked item checkbox is ticked in the product record. Once checked, you can add the product to the warehouse in the stock management widget. Select the warehouse you wish to add the product into. Change the warehouse status to missing products. Click on Search, then click on the tick box of the product, and click on Add to Warehouse. There are also processes that automatically add products to the warehouse, such as selling a product via the order form. When a product is added to a warehouse product record is created. Stock calculations are automated. This matrix explains the business processes that increase and decrease the stock calculations. These processes automatically generate a stock calculation record, which is linked to the warehouse product record. If you open a product record, you can see the warehouse by product record. If you open the warehouse by product record, you can see the stock calculations. Each stock calculation record is synced to the server and allocated a server record ID. IDs are assigned based on the date and time of the stock calculation. If you put these into numerical order, you can see the earliest and the latest stock calculation. It shows the product quantity and the impact on the stock on hand, including the revised stock on hand value. If you click on the stock calculation record, more information can be viewed. These records must not be edited from here, but can be useful as they display how the current stock counts were calculated. If you run a CSV import for a stock take, you can use this module to track when the stock calculations have been processed and calculated.